Every so many years we get surprised, and boy was I surprised when we went to the mailbox. Oh my God, Las Vegas is a happy place today. And if I was standing up, I'm sitting right, I'd do a happy dance. Happy, happy Eve. Leslie, our beautiful, delightful pastry chef in the family. And this is what cooking, eating, and enjoying is all about at Heal, Lead, Teach. This is what we do. We love to cook, eat, and enjoy. And remember, it doesn't make any difference what nationality you are, what background you came from. Just don't carry on your tea traumas, small and tall. Break them up. Don't carry on your childhood traumas into your adulthood. Get rid of them, throw them out, and work on them. And every time you feel depressed or you don't feel happy, think of the happy things that make you happy, because we cook, eat, and enjoy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, this is what we need to do. Just like my world here in Las Vegas does. They subscribe to our channel, and the world, Australia to the United Kingdom, to Canada, not just the United States, and South Africa, and all Italy and Greece, all the countries subscribe to our channel because they know about cook, eating, enjoying. That's what we do at Heal, Lead, and Teach. So if you wonder what Heal, Lead, and Teach means, this is what it's all about. So thank you all. Happy New Year. We love you. Steve and Leslie. Leslie, our pastry chef in the family. We love you both very much. And you're everybody there, our nieces and nephews. And Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year.
Pete and Anthony